Just a little mock-up. Before it's all put together, really, I'm gonna paint the lower cover there. Got Super Tech R35 coil kit to go in there. That'll be a 50mm wastegate welded on there. Got the new rear main seal there. Excited. Alright guys, so I'm putting the cams in now. I already did one. So basically, unless you have the Tomei stud kit, you're not going to have this. You'll have the bolts, but same principles apply. You're going to want to lube up the journals here, and you want to put the cam in so that the front is in first, and then you want to lay it down, and you want to make sure that the timing marks are somewhat close, and then you'll put the cam caps on and you'll tighten them down very slowly, just going around finding the loose nuts or bolts and just tighten them down until you finally get all the cam caps down snug against the head, and then you torque it to between 6 point something to 8 point something foot-pounds, you know, for us Americans. So I've been doing 7 foot-pounds right in the middle, so that's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and get the HKS 272 step 1 cam unwrapped and put in here. So mine is lubed up previously from when we did the shimming. It's got this sticky lube type stuff on there. So what I do is I get the cam gear and I'll put it on there and I'll line it up to close as I can get to the timing mark, and then once we get the cam caps tightened down, then I'll use an open-ended wrench to turn it so that it's exactly on the timing mark, and then we'll put the timing belt on. So on the cam cap, you'll want to make sure that this is cleaned off, and you want to put thin layer of RTV silicone on this portion of each side so that the seal here doesn't leak any oil from out of the head. You'll want to probably put the seal on the end of the cam before you fully tighten this down, just to make it a little easier to get on there. I didn't do that for this one, so I had to like find like an extension and kind of hammer it around to like hit it in. And that's pretty much really all you need, to make sure that it seals. You don't want it to get into this groove. That's where the pressure oil is released back into the head. So Okay. So these bolt and washer, or nut and bolt, should be torqued between 32 to 43 foot-pounds is what the conversion comes out to. And I've got this Gates timing belt. It's blue because it makes it fast, right? So that's the part number. I think it means 140 teeth, maybe. I don't know. I just know that that's the part number you need. So, and it's got little marks for where the timing belt lines up at. So, looks like it goes this way then. The timing mark is here for the crank. It's got a little dot on this here. The timing mark is here, and on this timing plate here, and the timing plate there. So let's see if we can just get this thing lined up. And now you want to turn it over a couple times and make sure that the timing marks still line up. Well, the teeth line up, or the marks, but I must be like a half rotation off or something like that. Keep going. Maybe I'm just dumb. Maybe the marks like gradually move because it's an odd. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But the timing marks keep lining up, so it's good for me. I think it's good. What's up, guys? So, sorry I haven't put a video out in a long time. I know it's always an excuse of mine that I don't really have time. As you can see, these things take up all my time. I have another one. She's not in the room. But, yeah, I've been working on the car slowly. The winter is, really cold in the garage, so I try to get some stuff done when I can, and then it takes hours to edit a video. I'm actually editing a video right now. This is the desk that I sit at in my room. I'm looking at my computer screens. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I've got some more footage. Hopefully it won't take as long to edit now. I had a hard drive failure, so I had to recover all my stuff, and I guess just follow all my social media stuff. I update that a little more than YouTube these days, it seems. My Instagram and my Facebook it's down in the description below. So till next time, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay notified, and see you next time. See ya. Say see ya.